Chino from Red Mercury versus Jamsey Lion from the Venus Crew.
One time. Venus, are you ready? Ready, yeah. We'll just jump bumper to bumper, no time. Okay now, Mercury's. Well, this nigga don't dey feel dapper. You don't forget say na Venus be the real papa. Oh, we saw your post on Instagram. As you boost your followers, now so you boost your like. Ha! I got my nigga where they sing along. You don't make a family, they want to feel among. Well, I got the boss, they feel keep paro. Make my swag the back, wa Venus think bano. We gotta show them fire, make them tire. Venus know they play, make us show them color. Give them walla, make them tire. The things say a joke, we go flood them dada. No we sit on a battle, we don't come fight. We like to the show love, so we pump pass. As I see your temperature, make it no come rise. Make person no go block me if I pass shop right. You see me as a bad man, no other bad man. I like to the run and look it, no like Igara. Who be your boss? Make it pay in Salama. You got that? Now we be the boss of your master.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Yeah. I want to see this guy, you funny guy. You carry water, come battle me. Very funny guy. I feel throw you off your own balcony. Cause right now, Red Mercury is #1 for 2 weeks. We never too weak. Look at you, guy, you're too cheap. Guy, you're not even deep. Guy, you the fuck up. We don't know who we be. Red Mercury. See Mr. Bouncy, #1 cheat. That guy now mercenary. Yeah, we so military. Anytime we come through with the best crew. BOTS 2022. I will never hear you, never knew. Cause right now, we're coming through. Taking all the girls on your avenue. Yeah. Even your girl, I was with her last week telling me you were so weak. But right now, you better know. Coming up with the better flow. You just smiling with your jaga teeth, guy. Too weak.
Are you serious? Are you serious?
Tammy J. Any words,
Seriously, I wanted Face to go, but he said, "Oh man, leave him." Okay, seriously, I think this is a battleground, and I love the fact that you guys are getting more serious. But I'm quite surprised. The people that I'm expecting to be on stage, I am quite a little bit surprised to see them now. Was that a real? Venus, was that real or just some toy?
It's toy gun.
Okay, toy. I beg, keep on. So, but seriously, it's a real battle, and I love the fact that you guys give us, the thrill. It's hard for me to choose, seriously, but I have to choose one.
Please, you have to choose.
Do you understand? I have to choose one. I have to really choose one.
Yeah, sounds a little silence, please, I beg. Silence, please, I beg. No vex. Lie down small, chill out. Okay, apparently, Venus on the left, on the right. I'm not mistaken.
Yes,
Venus on the right.
Venus.
Sean, please. Venus, I think, for me, I feel he sat on the beat. He actually sat on the beat and he actually covered the beat properly. And his confidence is about 100% to me. And the other guy is also good. He actually was detailing himself, but for me, I prefer Venus. That's what I'll just say, basically.
Okay.
First, microphone testing. Battle of the Sun, you know that the best thing. Drop bars on the instrumental. Me, I done the craze and I done the mental. First, you be feeling unashamed. And your crew will be feeling so ashamed. I know the joke when they come to rap. Lyrically, I go give these guys bending up. Say, I they rap at the same time I they sing song. You prefer for life, don't be saying you go live long. But don't tell me lucky rap, you gotta feel strong. Cause sending me plenty, make them want kill us. Give them for a code, I go begging them for kill us. I don't know why all this rap and them they fear death. I know why, because my punchline they tear shit. All this rap line they sound like solo dramatics. If I don't get money for bullet, I go borrow God. I know the joke about the can, I know the president and the niggas and the president and the niggas for the pace. Hey, we're not the joke around the can and all the niggas through the gun. All of you guys will be in bed. I know the joke, I be lying on this.
Go Pluto, go Pluto, go Pluto, go Pluto, go Pluto, go Pluto, go Pluto. Now PLU to the T to the O. You spitting poop, better feast to the foe. Let's give what belongs to Caesar to Caesar. Can't give the kudos of food to pizza. Whenever we enter, they gonna say we don't come. They feel our vibe from first time to Hong Kong. I'm a problem because I'm representing Pluto. Just be careful, some will play it like Pluto. The people who are the feeling we are your hero. You got the frozen bar just like Sub-Zero. Sure you don't see the way we the chop big.
Hey,
See.
bro.
Okay. Like they say, take it down, take it down,
Hold
take
on.
it down, take it down.
Hold on. Take
Like
it
they
down.
say, this is
Bro,
a battle
this-
and not a romance.
Bro, this is a battle.
Pluto gang, it's a battle, okay?
He's not touching you.
Yeah.
He can do anything.
He can intimidate
No,
you.
he's not. He's just talking. It is a rap battle. Okay, what happened? Give him
What
microphone.
happened to you?
He was disturbing me the way he was.
No, it wasn't. It wasn't. Bro, no, it wasn't. That's rap battle. Yeah, you understand? He was even gingering you. I'm telling you. But what's really happening now is, bro, you've improved. But once two iron touch each other, one will bend for one. Don't let me lie to you.
Very important.
You see this Neptune guy? This guy sat on the beat. The guy really ride on the beat like power, not power bank. You understand?
Wow.
So I'm going for
The Neptunes.
the Neptune.
The Neptunes.
Pluto, one advice, yeah? One advice. Pluto, one advice for you, yeah? Tame those emotions. It's important, yeah? I'm going with the showman.
The Neptunes. All right, there we have
I
it.
am not going to talk about your music, but I'm going to talk about your personality now. Life is not fair. You understand what I'm saying? Yoruba will say one thing, enu was enu kinu no wa. For to make it in life, you have to what? You have to be hardened. You understand what I'm saying? Go and watch this movie. I can't remember the name of the movie again. There was a basketball star they saw in Spain. He got to America. It was good, but was he being intimidated in the court? You understand? And he was losing his composure. And his coach started telling him, "No way, you could do it. You could make it. Be resolved. Be yourself." Until he was able to make it. You are good, but don't let anybody intimidate you. You are intimidated just now. It's a battle. In battle, someone has to win, someone has to lose. You lost out. Because you are scared, don't be scared again. God bless you.
All right, thank you so much, Mr. Idowu. You may kindly leave my stage. The Neptunes have it. I'll be passing the microphone to the mass aliens, Young Prince.
Any which way. Yeah. What a shame. But you there, but if I buy into fame, let me get iron body, muscle code, Peter Bouquet, rap right. One time, this thing is God, give the special flows, tight lines, penny to wash up fitted. I no go lie to you, my nigga. This shop no be my power. But in my low more, look at my friend if you could down. But to win, I'm not born to die. I me wa Bugatti cut that lens. You go load you more think I will lumina. Yeah, for nothing that I want to buy. You wish me that you go die. My coffee back to back, talk the fight, you start to nine. My language be like friends, I start to talk, they know the end. My money be like family, start for but you know the end. It go age, good money, my coin, your ogre, just a pastor, my family, so from what I just live my life from a world. When I'm for life, I know be comedian. And just story, I go make this light. I've been seeing SM sugar of when see graduation to be a better because you sugar if so that I just so hard in this life. Keep on living my best life. Push them with a sharp knife. Stop them all with no chance. Enemies they do this as they want to spoil my profile. I know they shake it. Life is faithful like you call me local. If I start to talk, then tell me say I be too pack. Get the money, stack it up, the singly as I they use jazz. When you see no be atenu. If they like me for food, good rap, produce something like Dr. Africa. Some for you. My judges go to no push, my judge no shots. I got Jack Pelupa for my two that go to new black bush. My dad I know do it at Toba Josu, my girl away. You shock me, King Shokuta, Toba Jenny, Marusi man. She not abroad, me to law abroad.
agbára káká kìkì ṣàríwo ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ bá mi jọ ẹ bá mi pariwo ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nínú mi ó gbẹ́dọ̀ gidi ó bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ bàbá yà yín yẹn má pariwo ṣé wọ́n bá tù mí Basilias ó fẹ́ they never see something they still dey chop chin chin Yeah, they never see something. Yeah, hey, say, we be killer, just like rubber. I used to do I finish coming for you fucking nigga with a long collar. We go no say we para. Yes, Jupiter's baba. And ya major dasha. Our little kula to felicita lubuala. Oh, ya run many place. Say we get many fail. Any week where we gonna we just scatter this place. Run many place, bad nigga. I want to be sharp guy, nigga. Jupiter's a weepy baba. Any babe on my forisa tabatiata alatareto ni maka feni to bury me lighter oriota and many times pay our lenju oluwa say and we je to my guy wa mama package kusi na envelope ni what does it package envelope feni to binu mi mele bebe anybody man sat rowo mi o ma kule ni kilo la kulotula to ba ti jokerin lo ba ma wa ku lo ba to
Ogbeni.
Alright, GT.
What's all that though? What's all that? Eh? Must you bring, whether it's a toy gun or whatever, are you trying to promote violence? Do you think this is what Battle of the Sound is about? Never do that again in your life. Are you no, give me ambition, yeah? Share microphone, no, yeah? Are you not the you're supposed to hold the microphone or something? You are learning to be an armed robber, is that it? Don't do that again, please. You are good, by the way, and I'm going with you. You see, I love you. I love what you do. I love what you do. But you were matched with someone crazy, man. But please don't bring a gun here again.
Okay, Faze.
I don't have much to say, but I think he's right about most of the things he said. For him, I would say I prefer him for my own side because
The Marcellians.
I don't know how he does it, but he just kept on rapping without taking a breath. He was just going through. Yeah, by the end of the day, for me, I choose him anyways. Anyway, that's what I'll say basically.
Okay, so the Marcellians have it.
Yeah. It's your boy right here rapping. Saturn styles, we been moving. Yeah, bad boy in the studio. Every day, night time, we been shine. Saturn styles for the TVC. Saturn style for the best actor. Saturn styles with the bad star. Battle style with the battle stars, yeah. We been coming every day up to Neptunes, to the Webtoons, to the niggas, we been singing. Run on 7-7. They don't know what they're doing right here. Young boy, fishy boy. Yeah, we take into the sky. Yeah, nobody gonna bring us down. Yeah, now I got this music now. Whoa, Saturn styles with the baddest stars. Rapping TVC right here. Saturn styles with the baddest stars. Up to the sky with the baddest. Saturn styles, baddest stars. You know this anyways. Anyhow, we've been doing this. Moving to the sky, then back here. Saturn styles with the baddest stars.
Thank you. One time. Let me hear you say one time. We runners come alive in the night time. We spit freestyle, we know they write rhyme. We spit a killer best, flow on rehash. When it comes to my bars, I didn't knock them how I like. Cause I be chewing on this beef like it's killing shit. Niggas ain't choked on my life like they ain't feeling me. Similarly, that's a metaphor that never falls upon the heavenly. I reign supreme. Heaven bars, you ain't seen the last of me. My greatest master cancer, you'll never compare your brother. Because honestly, compare with yourself to me it's like tragedy. The one you look to, let you see I'm more of that kind of service. I for you to understand the kind of road I'm driving. I'm going all out while you going out criticizing. I'm rapping with the man stars. You don't fit to stop me waiting you cause I'm Saturn stars. Stars will get Saturn, but you don't get star, you know they see him and you're up tune. Listen, I'm the
Should have given somebody else to this guy. This guy is too hard on this boy, man. What's wrong? It's just too hard on him, man. You know that, that's why I'm smiling. It's too hard on you. You want to judge the matter yourself? To be honest, you know this guy.
with the baddest stars.
It's the confidence for me.
No, for me, I like your smile, the confidence, but at the end of the day, he's him. I choose him, please.
Uranus.
This guy's good.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, about time. This is what they call Judgment Day. The results have been collated, and while we are doing that, I'd like to recognize the special presence of our one and only DJ Fresh. DJ Fresh, they say you there, you there hide. I don't understand. Please jam your hands for DJ Fresh. Is in the building right now.
Yo, Battle of the Sounds, how y'all doing?
Chill with Nation, baby.
I made it on stage today. Yeah.
Damn, so. You I'm activated, this is true. I'll show off in front of you. Count your blessings, learn a lesson. Every day a different you. African amongst a few. Worry boy, unbreakable. Free your mind and face your fears, cause you've got war in front of you. Military minded, pull up. Having the design, you will never send a kind. I'm a different kind of mindset, cool off. Many men are blind, they don't wanna see you shine. And the busy what they can't be lost. Nothing gonna be fine, it's about your crime. You know everybody's day came to us.
Hey. See, one time, no be me that go see finish. At the same time, when I pull up to the party with the bands, all of them go one see finish. I'm the vaccine to the virus, my flow is the cure, but you know that I'm sick with this. I the freestyle, but my style will be free. If you price my market, you go pay finish. You send both on the track and I run with this.
All right, good evening everybody. It's been a wonderful 4 weeks, and I want to take this time to appreciate everybody here. A round of applause for yourselves, the Warriors. And I want to appreciate my judges. Thank you very much. I appreciate our sponsors, and I appreciate the government of Lagos State. Let me go quickly into this. We are giving individual prizes here this evening, but our group prizes, your prizes you're winning as a group, is going to be bigger than what you'll be winning as individuals. I know we told you this already. So yes, we'll be giving the best in Afropop, we'll give the best in rap, we'll give the best in Fuji, and get best in reggae. Then we'll now present the gifts to the nations, the best nation, the second best nation, and the third best nation. Hope you understand that. All right, so for the Afropop category, number 3, the third position goes to Montana Vibes.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Montana Vibes.
For the third position, you're going on with just 5,000 naira. It's okay.
For the third position, that's a giveaway prize. Giveaway prize.
And the second position goes to Easy Boy of the Red Mercuries. Easy Boy of the Red Mercuries is going on with 20,000 naira.
All right, Easy Boy with 20,000 naira from the Red Mercuries. Second position.
And the first position and the Afropop genre goes to Walexi.
Okay, congratulations, Walexi.
Let's welcome In the Mix.
In the Mix. 50,000 naira, ladies and gentlemen, for the first individual best in Afropop, representing the Venus crew.
Reggae, third position, we have Blue Boy from Jupiter Click. Blue
A round of applause. Blue Boy Reggae, Jupiter Click, the sum of 5,000 naira.
Congratulations. Congratulations. Line Z, second position.
Second position in the reggae. Journal Music, Lizy, with the sum of
20,000
naira. No be small money, oh. With 20,000, you can lay foundation.
All right, first position.
First position.
I'll call on my wife to present this. And the winner of the reggae battle, Battle of the Sound Season 3, Mr. Bouncy of the
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Mr. Bouncy. The sum of 50,000 naira. With this, you can build 3-bedroom flats.
Congratulations.
In Waterside. Waterside, 50,000 naira 3-bedroom flats. Mr. Bouncy, make sure you invest in real estate.
I've been told you've just won yourself a free record deal from the Hive Records.
Wow, 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 wow. One time, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Hive Records.
Third position, Fuji category, we have Spreedo Berry of the Jupiter Clique.
Spreedo Berry from the Jupiter Clique, third position. He's going on with the sum of 5,000 naira. 5,000 naira. 5,000 naira. Moving on. Only busybody can do this, giving hope to the youth.
Thank you, Priceless. You're priceless.
I'm priceless, I know.
All right, second position. The first runner-up is Feast 4 from the Neptunes. Freeze Fall.
Freeze Fall from the Neptunes.
Fuji category.
For the Fuji category.
From the Neptunes. Second.
He'll be going up with the sum of 20,000 naira. Beautiful, beautiful.
We have Shirley B of the Pluto Gang.
Alright! Shirley B going on with the sum of 50,000 naira. Thank you so much. This is the winner for the Fuji Join Up Music. Welcome, welcome.
The third position goes to Jamzy Lion of the Vedas crew.
Jamzy Lion goes up with the sum of 5,000 naira for coming third position in the rap Join Up Music. Congratulations.
Second position goes to Young Chris of the Uranus 77.
Young Chris goes on with the sum of 20,000 naira. 20,000 naira.
Chris, congratulations. The first position to be presented by GT the Guitar Man. Please welcome him on stage. A round of applause for
Ladies and gentlemen, GT the Guitar Man.
All right, the first position in the rap category, BOTS 2022, is none other than Lucky Vibe of the Neptunes.
Lucky Vibes of the Neptunes goes on with 50,000 naira. Lucky Vibe, come. At least this 50,000 go complete money for roofing. Duplex, hold your money. Mafarabale, calm down. 50,000 for roofing. Make sure you use POPO.
Thank you very much. One of the ladies in this fierce competition, we want to welcome Titi.
Titi from the Jupiter Clique.
She was a fourth position and I've just been told she's winning a free record deal.
From the Hive Records.
Hive Records.
Wow!
Congratulations.
Oh, no, go sign me. Are they single? What's going on?
Right, thank you. That wraps it up for the individual winnings. Now to the big prizes, to the big ones. We have Mr. Boyega Ogunobi of the Digit Sounds to make this.
Ladies, a round of applause for Mr. Boyega Ogunobi.
Digit Sounds.
Digit Sounds to present the second runner-up overall of the Battle of the Sound Season 3 Fierce Edition.
And the third best nation at the Battle of the Sound Season 3 Fierce Edition is none other than Jupiter Clique.
The Jupiter Clique, ladies and gentlemen, overall best third for the full Battle of Sounds Season 3 Edition. Going on with the sum of 100,000 naira. Wow! Wow! With this you can close Lagos. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations, congratulations.
I call on Prince Amin of the Amward of a local government. Is actually the supervisor for youth, sports, and social development. A round of applause for Prince Amin.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Prince Amin. And he's the CEO of the Space Tech Mag. Thank you so much, sir.
Very much. The second best nation at Battle of the Sounds 2022 is the Uranus 77.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Uranus 77. Wow, sir, you have to be among them, yes, sir.
Yeah.
The sum of 200,000 naira.
Battle of the
Sir,
Sound.
you face like this.
I present to you the sum of 200,000 for the second best nation.
A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, please.
All right, the CEO of the Lagos State Council of Art and Culture is ably representing the head of service of the Lagos State government, Mr. Akim Moriokwala, and his name is Mr. Idowu Johnson.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Mr. Idowu Johnson.
And so, over to you, Vijay.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have fought. We came to the battle. We had sweat, we had blood, we had emotions running up and down. But finally, what started in November 5th is coming to an end today. Ladies and gentlemen, if your hands are not too busy, to the judges and the crew and the respective bodies in our midst, I give it up for the winner, overall best for the Battle of the Sound, Season 3, the Fierce Edition. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the Red Mercuries. What are you saying? Come on, take it easy, take it easy, take it easy. Take it easy, take it easy, take it easy.
Lead me to my destiny. I have waited patiently. I have vision, oh I believe. I know I can count on me. So stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up. For the champions, for the champions. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up. For the champions, for the champions. Stand up.
All right, DJ CEO. Please, you can give the mic to Mr. Johnson Dope. To a hair. They are going on with the sum of 400,000 naira.
400K. In as much as I said that the naira is not too strong, with 400,000 naira, if you employ it back to your business, you will make more returns. Don't spend it just our 10. Let me spend it on a day. Use it to do more of your business, please. Employ it back to your business, and the sky is the limit for you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much. You can calm down, calm down, calm down. Lord, calm down and dance here. Come here, come here. Calm down. Come on, say our fierce.
Okay.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4. Congratulations to the Red Mercuries. Your free bodies are
Come on, one time.
God, our yes, God, our yes. See, I look like a type of guy you don't talk to.
Don't let me fool you. God body, so I don't like the devil. Nah, don't let him use you. Should be there to give me apologies. They want forgiveness. Anything you need, I can give it to. My tampon, never wanna lose. Shavy, you know, see already. I but still they give you the energy. Better be ready for war, cause we coming with you and we're menacing. My wolf back over everything. That's Fierce Station over anything. But all of my fierce. Why you think say we win everything? Remember me, sorrow.
Well, I know he's my 2% please.
To take my eyes off of you, spatially I bite and move. The way you hold that thing, you wanna hold that thing, baby. Let me take a look. Oh Lord, me want all the girls in the whole world. I know what I'm doing is so wrong, but since no man can focus, we definitely don't give a fuck. She said she know me got a girlfriend, and so what? What if I? What if I? And what if I?